Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to center the view on DJI Osmo 360. To recenter the view, it's actually pretty simple. All you need to do is on your camera to switch the preview, because if you're in 360 it records from both cameras all the time, but to switch the view, click on the square button once. If you're in the single lens mode, if you click here, then single lens, then clicking on it will actually change the lens that records. Now in both modes, once you I think mostly in 360 actually, once you slide around too much, then you may need to recenter the view to see a bit better. And then if you want to do it, just double click on the square button. You can see it recenters it. So clicking once just changes the lens, and clicking twice centers the view. So if I change it around, I can recenter it. Now it's in the center, but of a different lens. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.